Today is a pretty good day. Or morning so far. Look at the sky. Look at the sky. And your sun. Oh, I didn't zoom in. That's a fail. I was trying to zoom in. Didn't zoom in at all. So yeah, it's a fail. Oh, cold though. They're like, oh, it's not cold. It's not cold at all. I'm all freezing now. Well, not freezing. Oh, there you go. Woo! What are you looking at, huh? What are you looking at? Oh my gosh. It was the happiest I've ever heard of. Shut the goddamn door. So yeah. Oh gosh. Coldness. Cold. Well, gotta go now. Bye. Whoa, look at that. Look at that. Sun again. Oh my gosh. Oh, the sky though. Actually, that's even more better. I like that as a picture. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna try setting a thumbnail, and I'm gonna use this as my thumbnail. All right. So let's take a picture and see if it works as that. No, that's rape. No love for you. No love. No, it's not love. So yeah, I just got back from work. No, you can't see my face because she's raping my face. Anyways, I just got back from work. Ow, you scratched me, you hoe. Oh, where you? Ah, no. Oh god. Nose and face. Oh no, she pushed it. Don't touch the camera. Oh no, not my ear. No, not my eye. You done? You done? No, oh god. No, stop. Ah, yeah. The drool. Now it's my hair. Stop licking me. No, your tongue. Ah. You were like a licker from Resident Evil in your past life. You know that, Roxy? Okay, no. Hey, no, not my... Anyways, just got back from work. This is Roxy. She's my sister's dog. But yeah. Yeah. No, God, no. No. Ah, you bit me. Ted. No, you wouldn't look at my face. But dead. Because they smell like food. That's why. Look at that belly. You have a belly. No, not my face. Look at my name tag. Looks like you look at my tit. Stop that. No, not my face. What you do? Hey, leave him alone. He's sleeping. No, I didn't mean it. No, God. Mercy. Oh. What, you find the grease that's on my pants? No, ow, why are you poking at my eye with your nose? Yeah. I'm so glad you're not one of those dogs that drool. I would not. Like, no, no, please, no, no. Ooh. I wish you could see what I'm seeing right now. It's so weird. No. No. Oh. No. No. Like, aliens are come look at my face. You're blocking the camera with your fat ass. You know that? Yeah, I'm using her arm to scratch her leg to scratch my arm. And what? And what? Chicken leg! Ain't that fun? Oh, don't. What? No. Okay, I thought you were gonna go for my face. She poked my nose with her nose. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to hit you. Oh, look at that. Oh, and on my ear. No. It's because my brother-in-law lets her lick his face whenever she wants. So now she's like, I can lick anyone's face. Oh, why you stop now? It's because you're on camera? No. No kisses. No kisses. No love. I'm gonna ignore you now. Nope. Even if I do smell like burgers and hot dogs and chicken and steak. Did I say your name? Her name's Roxy. What? What? You call me? You call me? Nope. No one can call you. Oh. 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 She's like, I don't like this. I don't like this one. Oh. Do the same thing too. Take it back to the pound. Now I know stuck with dog fur. Look. She has a problem with, like, licking. She's just a obsessed licker of all sorts. Ow. Yeah. I'm gonna go take a shower and upload videos if I can. I'm gonna go do that. Tomorrow's supposed to be my day off, but looks like I'm doing more shit than I have to. Fudge. Knew I should have worked on my story. Haha. Anyway, so why? So yeah. Good night. And why is there a nose print on the lens? It's all your fault. You know that. You and you're licking my arm. This is how I take showers. Yep. She could go on for hours, just on that one spot. It's gone numb for right now. She's like, what? I'm not weird. Why did I do that voice for her? It sounds like, oh, She's like, what? I don't do that voice. No. What? I'm on camera? I'm on camera? No. I'm no camera. You want to be on camera? No. No. So I'm gonna lick you. I'm gonna lick. Aww. Thank you for the kiss. Mwah. There you go. Aww. And now she dies happily. So with that, I say goodbye.